Guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and I have for you this delicious strawberry cream cheese icebox cake. Yes, you do not need an oven for this because, baby, it is too hot outside to be turning on the oven. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I've pre-washed my strawberries and we're going to go ahead and cut those up. And once you cut them up, you'll go ahead and set them aside, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright guys, so after finishing the strawberries, we're just going to go ahead and start with one layer of graham crackers. You don't need to put anything in the pan underneath it. Just layer it. As you can see, I tried to make sure I covered every piece. You don't have to do that, it's totally up to you, but that's what I did. And then we're just going to set this to the side and we're going to go ahead and make our custard. Alright, so making this custard is pretty easy, guys. You're just going to go ahead with some softened cream cheese. You're going to blend in the condensed milk. You're going to blend in the regular milk. We are using 3 cups of milk and 2 boxes of the cheesecake flavored pudding. So yeah, once we done that, then of course we're going to go ahead and mix in the whipped cream. So without further ado, let's continue on with the recipe. we're adding in the Cool Whip or whipped cream, whichever one you choose to use. So you just want to fold it in, and you're just going to continue to fold it until it is blended in well. And we're done. We're going to set this aside, and then we're going to go ahead and start with the layering. So now, guys, we are ready to layer this. And listen, this is going to be such a delicious cake. You have to try this. As you can see, the strawberries are ready. Everything is ready. So I'm going in with the custard that I've made. I'm going to just kind of like smooth it over. There's not really an amount that I actually use. And this pan that I'm using, which is a glass pan, it is, I'm thinking, a 13 by, I think 10 or 11, I believe. So, but you can use whatever size you want. If you want to make half of this recipe, you can do that too. Make this your recipe. Okay, do what it do. Now, at the end, you can also top it with some more whipped cream if you like. I didn't do it with mine. For one, I didn't have the space. I wanted to make 3 layers. So this is what we're going to do, is just making 3 layers. We're starting with the graham crackers, then the custard, then the strawberries, and you start back over again, and there you have it. You have to allow it to be in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. I did mine overnight. guys, it is done, and I've been waiting all night to try this cake. I did sprinkle some graham cracker crumbs on top of it. It's totally optional. That's totally up to you. Decorate it the way you would like your cake to look. But listen, I am finna dig in, okay? And I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your support, and thanks for watching. Take care.